I have a bottom out 80-cent penny stock trading near the 52-week low that has a 1.5 million float and just received a $12 price target. Keep in mind they're trading near the 52-week low. Their 52-week low is 48 cents. Their 52-week high is $12.63, and it is currently trading at 80 cents. So it looks like each three of the markets that they are getting into, one of them will be valued at 68 billion by 2030. One of them will be valued at 51 billion by 2030, and another one 560 billion by 2030. But before I go over this hot pharmaceutical penny stock that I actually am investing in, I have to go over ticker TIO, Tingo Group Inc., because this one is undergoing a big lawsuit. I have covered this one, pumped it in the past, actually invested in it, actually swung this one for a lot of money because I covered this one at $3, went up to $5. They had around 860 million cash on hand, 260 million plus in net operating income, did around 800 plus, almost 1 billion in revenue, and these numbers were not accurate. They had the financial reports come out, and this one had a big run, but now this one is bottomed out at $1. So a lot of stuff is going on we have to talk about. They're trading at a $475 million market cap. Their net revenues for the first quarter 2023 amounted to 851 million. Now this is what they reported on their quarterly report. This was an increase of 8,800% compared to Q1 2022. I thought this was a very good play considering their financials, but there's a big lawsuit going on saying that their financials were overpumped and they were not accurate. So this one has bottomed out all the way down to $1, and they have an ongoing lawsuit right now. They haven't really clarified what their actual financial numbers were. So a lot of people are just waiting to see what's going on. A lot of people are surprised, but this is just one I had to do an update on. I'm sorry if you guys did try to hold this one long and you did take a loss, but if you did get in early and you swung this one with me, hopefully you took some profits as well. As Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals Inc. trading at 80 cents. It looks like a year ago the stock was trading just around $12. Looks like it is currently bottomed out over the last month. It is up 8%. The last week it is up around 20%, and definitely has a lot of positive things going on with the company that we will talk about. Could be poised for significant upside potential in 2023. So a positive analyst outlook, as I mentioned earlier. It did get a $12 price target. According to barchart.com, shares of Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals recently hit a 52-week low of 62 cents on 5/30/2023, which could indicate a potential upside of almost 2,000% if shares were to reach the $12 price target. It's like they have been increasing their revenue and their margins. So strong product portfolio, have a variety of products, including their Avanova branded eye care products, Derma Doctor skincare products, and Phase 1 wound care products. The device range of offerings positions the company well within the healthcare industry and presents multiple avenues for growth. Strong future prospects. This is where the catalysts come in. They have recent achievements, including the shipment of a significant order for Neutrophase skin. I think this was for at least $1 million or something like that. And wound cleanser highlight their potential for future success. The company's ongoing initiatives and strategic partnerships indicate a commitment to capitalizing on market opportunities and delivering long-term value. So it looks like they have a lot of strategic partnerships they want to achieve, and they have a lot going on. Looks like this one is bottomed out and could be well positioned for a big run. They are at the 52-week low or just above the 52-week low. This is definitely one we have to watch. And I'm looking for the next level of resistance going into Monday or going into next week. We'll have to see what happens, but it's looking like this one could go in an uptrend going into next week. Could have a big day Monday. We'll have to see how it plays out. But the biggest thing with this stock is probably their ultra low flow and the fact that they have a lot of strategic partnerships and a lot of catalysts, and the fact that they're trading near the 52-week low, and it looks like it is completely bottomed out. So with a big catalyst, with pharmaceutical stocks in general, you can see a 10 to 20x just with some good positive news on their studies or their trials. They do have FDA approval, it looks like, with some of their products. They are in a fast growing sector. Their three main sectors are growing very fast, a very high CAGR growth for all their sectors. So with the small float, their ultra small float, combined with a future catalyst, anything like that, which I expect to happen, and considering that this one is bottomed out, in my opinion, this is definitely one you have to watch. Probably one of the best pharmaceutical sub penny stocks that is near the 52-week low to watch right now. So I actually am picking up some shares myself because I think I can make some money on this play. But I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just giving you trade ideas. That is it. According to finwiz.com, Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals Inc. only have 1.56 million shares available in their public float as of May 30th, 2023. So it looks like each 3 of the markets that they are getting into, one of them will be valued at 68 billion by 2030. One of them will be valued at 51 billion by 2030, and another one 560 billion by 2030. First market size is showing from 2021 to 2030 in terms of billions. The ophthalmic drugs market, which is currently at 40 billion and projected to hit 30, and by 2030 will be at just under 70 billion. Cosmetics market is currently valued at 375 billion and is projected to hit 560 billion by 2030. So obviously they are in a very good market. The market has witnessed a rising demand for natural cosmetic products fueled by consumer preferences for herbal and natural ingredients. So they are in a very good market. All 3 of their product lines, they have a variety of products for, dry eyes, for eyes, skin, and for wound healing and wound care and stuff like that. So they're in a very good market in all 3 of their sectors, and they're continuing to add products and also strategic partnerships. This is definitely one I'm interested in. That's it for today's video. Make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe, put notifications on as well, and I will see you on the next one.